Good morning. It's Tuesday, November 1st. I'm Joe Elkier here with Todd Graff. Welcome back to the Gold Spot. Today, Todd, we're waking up, we're seeing some news coming out of the World Gold Council. They're talking about demand for gold is up 28% in the third quarter. We're seeing increased consumer demand. We're hearing about this migration of metals from west to east. Can you talk a little bit about the demand and that movement?
Yeah, absolutely, Joe. So the demand for gold and silver is coming from quite a few different sources. It's not just U.S. retail people. You know, there's industrial uses, central banks are buying gold. And what we're seeing this year quite a bit is India's been buying a lot of silver recently. India's always been a big purchaser of gold, but now they're purchasing silver. And these countries are buying gold and silver for a very similar reason, and they're worried about their currencies losing value. They're worried about inflation. So they're looking all around the world, banks, central banks, individual people, everybody's looking at gold and silver as a store of value, a way to protect their purchasing power of their money, and I don't blame them. You know, with India buying so much silver recently, you know, that is causing quite a bit of supply issues too. You know, we're seeing that here, but you know, I know you have some topics with that you can touch on with what's going on with the supply of silver and gold right now.
Sure. Ever since the pandemic, we've seen an increase in demand for both gold and silver, and very few sellers. We're seeing that more recently in a big uptick for people looking for silver. That brings us to a lot of opportunities as far as what products are in the market and what might be a good fit for you. Morgan's silver dollars and Peace silver dollars are performing exceptionally well right now. They're holding their value. They're great choices for new investors who aren't used to the volatility of the metals markets. So there's lots of different options we can help fill in for that demand and the supply impacts.
Right. And you know, you mentioned Morgan dollars and Peace dollars. You know, they've performed so well because even though the spot price, the paper price of silver has dropped so much, you know, they don't make these coins anymore. There's scarcity to them, and that's keeping the value at a more stable level. So I think we're going to see more of that with the supply and demand as that changes. But that's just one example of a strategy we can come up with. So if you have any questions or if you want to talk to us individually about different options, please reach out, give us a call.
Yeah, request our silver report. Very informative. Go to sbcgold.com. We're here to help.
All right, thanks for watching the Gold Spot. Join us next time.